Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best backup cameras in this video? I will show you the top 5 best backup cameras to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is ASDOM Dashcam GS63 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, ASDOM. Aperture, 1.8. Display, LCD. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 2.45 inches. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Warranty, 1 year. Number 4 is ASDOM M553 Channel Dashcam. Specifications. Brand name, ASDOM. Aperture, 1.8. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX307. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3-5. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Warranty, 1 year. As the item number 3 we've selected, Pi N5. Specifications. Brand name, Pi. Aperture, f1.8. View angle, 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 500 mega. Chipset manufacturer, SigmaStar. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.6 kilograms. Number 2 is BFO A129 Plus. Specifications. Brand name, BFO. Display, LCD. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Warranty, 1 year. Chipset, NT96670. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Dashcam Z50. Specifications. Brand name, Pi. View angle, 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3 inches. Chipset manufacturer, SigmaStar. Warranty, 1 year.